Hello teachers, I am Patricia Godoy and today I am going to show you how to play the Who Is This board game. In this game, we will use vocabulary and grammar structure from chapter 3 of the My New Friends booklet. To play this game, you will need a dice, color game pieces, a board game, and students to form groups of at least 2 members. Let's start. This game is easy and fun to play. As you can see, here is a board game, and in the middle we have a picture that shows the different members of the family. There is a starting and finish point, and each space has a picture of a family member, and there are some spaces that tell you what to do next if the player lands in them. This is how you play with your students of higher levels. Each group will be assigned with a color game piece like this, and each team will roll the dice once. The group who gets the higher number will start the game. The second highest number will go second, and so on. So let's imagine player number 1 lands on spot number 4, where there is a picture of a sister. The players of the other team will ask the question, "Who is this?" And with the help of the group, player number 1 needs to answer, "This is my sister." If the answer is correct, the player stays in spot number 4. If the answer is incorrect, the player needs to go back to the previous spots. In this case, the starting point, and the second player will roll the dice to start his turn. There are some spaces that will tell the players what to do next. Here, for example, in space number 2, the player can advance 2 spots. In space number 9 and 12, the player can advance 1 spot. In space number 5, the player misses 1 turn. And in space number 10, the player needs to go back to the starting point of the game. Once one of the players gets to the finish spot, the game ends. Now for lower levels, we will use colors instead of grammar structure to see if the students can identify topics from the previous chapter as well. With the help of the teacher, the opposite teams will give hints to the players, such as, "This person has gray hair," when we want them to mention the grandmother or grandfather. "This person has red hair," when we want them to mention the mother or sister, and so on. Here the players only need to mention the name of the family members, such as father, sister, brother, without any grammar structure. The rules are the same, and if they guess the correct name, they can stay in the spot. If not, they go back to the previous one. The player that reaches the finish line first wins. To finish this tutorial, let's remember what we need to play this game: a dice, color game pieces, a board game, and students to form groups of at least 2 members. I hope this game helps you and your students have fun while reviewing the lessons from chapter 3, This Is My Family. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you.